Imagine a manufacturer that produces books and pen, and the cost of producing a book is higher than the cost of producing a pen. And books are sold at higher amount than pen. But the manufacturer has maximum of 20 items to produce in a day. So the question would be, how many books and pen would the manufacturer produce in order to make maximum profit? This is where I come in as a mathematician. So what I do is I take this data and I try to model it. I represent the data as a function. So my job here is to find what we call the fixed point of this function, which is the solution of the problem. So this fixed point could be a variable, say z, and this z could represent x and y, where x and y is the number of books and the number of pen, respectively. So using the fixed point approach, after getting my solution, because what we do is to get an approximate solution. So this solution, which represents x, y, becomes the number of books and the number of pen the manufacturer needs to produce in order to make maximum profit. If you've never thought about the power of mathematics to transform a business, perhaps it is time for you to do so.